Hi, Dex here with a quick look at how to play Africa by Toto, another synth classic. First off, let's hear what you're going to learn to play. Okay, so that was pretty cool, right? First thing to do, set up your synth. The way I've got it set up is I have a saw wave and a choir in the lower part of the keyboard to do the main chords. So, and I've got a kalimba and some mallets to do the top part. If you're going to put this to a tempo, I believe the original is 93 BPM, which is what I've just played it to. The first thing I'll get out of the way is that top riff with the mallets. I would learn the chords first and put this extra bit in later, because you have to move your hands quite quickly from the main chord position up to wherever you've split your keyboard. But the notes are relatively simple. All it is a run down and up, so you're going F sharp, E, C sharp, B, and then back up, C sharp, E. And you finish on an E, because you actually start slightly ahead of the beat. And then you'll be back to chords. Okay, so let's sort the riff out first, because that's the bit that will keep coming around. And it is an A, just with the C sharp at the top there. Then you've got an E over a G sharp. And then up to, I've put a C sharp minor there, but it's actually got a seventh in as well. Depending on which one you find easiest, it will sound better with the seventh. But you can just play the normal C sharp minor, and it will sound just as good. So whichever one you find easier, I would go with. Then we've got the verse. This is mainly just holding down the chords. And I've started by saying we've got a B, followed by a B major 7 over a B flat. So if you just think of moving your root note down to the B flat and follow that with your thumb, that's the easiest way to start off this riff. Technically, it's actually a D sharp over a B flat or an A sharp. So it sounds better, again, if you play a B over that D sharp. So you've got B flat in the root, and on the right hand, all I'm playing is G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. And you can do a little run up here. Then we're on to a G sharp minor, fairly normal. Then you've got B over F sharp. Now this is relatively simple because you only move your thumb down from the right hand to get that shape, and you've already got the B shape in the right hand already. And then we're down to an A, just like the original riff, but we're playing this over an E in the root now. Up to an E over an F sharp, G sharp minor, and then you can run into it with a C sharp and B into the riff. So let's hear that through a bit more continuously. That's it for the verse. Now the chorus. Again, this is pretty much holding down the chords. So we've got an F sharp, it's actually a minor, not a major. And we're trying to play A at the top when we're doing all of these chords. So we're doing, and then to a D, to an A, and then the E, you've got that sus4 by using the A. So you start on the G sharp when you're playing the E chord, and then roll on to the A and back to get that unique sound. So you've got. You play that round 3 times, and the final time to get back to the riff, the first 3 chords are the same. So you've got F sharp, A, and this time you do C sharp minor, E, that's all there is to it. Get the chords under your fingers first, then try adding in the mallet, and before you know it, you will be playing Africa by Toto. Did you remember to like and subscribe? And I will see you in the next one. Bye.